Okay, we have the coordinate plane activity screen 1. The coordinate plane, you're all familiar with this. Quadrant 1 starts here. And then going counterclockwise, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. And of course, the origin is in the middle. Screen 2, have you graphed before? Either yes or no. Screen 3, can you tell the x-axis and the y-axis? What is the difference between the x-axis and the y-axis? So use words like horizontal and vertical. Screen 4, on which axis is the blue point located? So go ahead and name that right here. Screen 5, drag the red point to the y-axis. So you're going to drag this point to either here or here. Screen 6, the coordinate plane is divided into 4 quadrants, and we already talked about that. Let's see, this way, counterclockwise. Okay, in which quadrant is the point located? Your answer should be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So which one of these is the blue point located in? Enter that here. Drag the blue point to quadrant 2. Right now, I'll tell you it's in quadrant 1. Move it to quadrant 2. Naming a point. Okay, so coordinate pairs, also known as ordered pairs, describe a specific point on a coordinate plane, an x and a y number. The first number describes the x value. The second number describes the y value. For example, 3, -2. What is the coordinate pair for point G? Okay, so point G is right here. So 3, -2. Okay, so 3, -2. I'd go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Well, that's not point G, but what is point G? Enter that right here. All right, what is the coordinate pair for point E? That's over here. Drag the red point to 6, 5. Right now it's at the origin 0, 0. Move it to 6, 5. Drag this point to -5, 0. Okay, you're almost done. Follow the directions. Drag the points to form a rectangle with vertices. The corners located in the x-axis, the y-axis, and the fourth quadrant. All right, so right now it's in quadrant 1. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. It's got to touch the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's just simply move it over here like this. And we have a rectangle, also known as a square. In this case, we can make it a rectangle like this. That is touching the x-axis and the y-axis and is in quadrant 4. And that's it.